Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking for another show-stopping centerpiece for your baby shower. This is the centerpiece for you. This centerpiece stands about 4 feet tall and it would definitely take your baby shower to another level. First, I'm going to start off with showing you the number of items I will be using in this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching the video. I tried my best to link everything you would need at the bottom, and please subscribe and have a wonderful day.